Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful gaming mini PC in 2026 that saves space but still delivers strong performance, this video is for you. Today I'll show you the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026, perfect for gaming, content creation, and daily productivity. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. TechHoo ZHR Gaming Mini PC, Ryzen 7 7840HS. The TechHoo ZHR comes with the AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, paired with 16 GB DDR5 RAM and a PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. It supports dual LAN and up to 4 displays, making it great for multitasking and gaming setups. With the powerful Radeon 780M integrated graphics, this mini PC can handle modern games at 1080p, esports titles smoothly, and even light 4K workloads. It's compact, fast, and very future-proof for 2026. Pros: strong Ryzen 7 7840HS performance, DDR5 and PCIe 4.0 support, dual LAN and 4 display output, excellent for gaming and work, a solid all-rounder gaming mini PC with high performance in a small size. Number 2. Ryzen 7 68H Mini PC, 32 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, and comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. It supports triple 4K displays. The Radeon 680M graphics still perform very well for light gaming, video editing, and office work. With 32 GB RAM, multitasking is smooth and lag-free. Pros: large 32 GB and 1 TB storage, triple 4K display support, stable gaming and business performance, good value for money. Great for users who want more RAM and storage with reliable gaming performance. Number 3. GMKTech K12 Ryzen 7 8745HS upgraded. The GMKTech K12 features the upgraded Ryzen 7 8745HS with Radeon 780M graphics, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB-C support. This model comes as a barebone, so RAM and SSD need to be added. Performance is impressive for its size, handling AAA games at medium settings and esports titles at high frame rates. Wi-Fi 6E ensures low latency gaming and fast downloads. Pros: newer Ryzen CPU, Radeon 780M graphics, Wi-Fi 6E and USB-C, compact and stylish design. A great choice for enthusiasts who want custom upgrades and strong gaming power. Number 4. Genmachine Ryzen 7 7840U Mini PC. This mini PC runs on Ryzen 7 7840U with 8 cores and 16 threads, clocking up to 5.1 GHz, and comes with 24 GB DDR5 6400 MHz RAM. It operates at a 28W TDP, making it power efficient. Despite its low power usage, it delivers excellent performance for gaming, streaming, and creative tasks. Perfect for users who want quiet and efficient gaming. Pros: very power efficient, fast DDR5 6400 MHz memory, strong CPU and GPU balance, quiet operation. Best for users who want efficiency, low noise, and solid gaming performance. Number 5. MINISFORUM UM790 Pro Ryzen 9 7940HS. The MINISFORUM UM790 Pro is powered by the Ryzen 9 7940HS, paired with DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, USB 4, and Wi-Fi 6E. It comes with Windows 11 and a premium build. This is the most powerful mini PC on the list, capable of high-end gaming, 3D rendering, and professional workloads. The Radeon 780M GPU performs exceptionally well for integrated graphics. Pros: top-tier Ryzen 9 performance, USB 4 and Wi-Fi 6E, excellent cooling design, best for gaming and creators. If you want the best gaming mini PC in 2026, this is the one to get. So that's our list of the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026. Whether you want maximum power, value for money, or energy efficiency, there's a mini PC here for you. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment which mini PC you'd choose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.